Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find out what Shopify theme a website is using. But before getting started this video, you should subscribe out 1 minute. So first of all, open your web store and copy your store URL, and now type here shopthemedetector.com and enter your website URL here and click on detect theme. And here we can see my shop is using down theme and it's free. So this was how we can detect which theme is using a Shopify website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.